welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious strawberry flan. Yes, perfect to end your day. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Creamy strawberry flan. These are my ingredients: strawberry extract, color and flavor, vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 5 room temperature eggs, 1 condensed milk, 1 Philadelphia cheese. This is everything we need to prepare a creamy and delicious strawberry flan. So let's get started. First things first, making the caramel for the flan. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of water. We're just gonna mix just like this, put it on the stove, and then continue with the recipe. But here I am going to start with the 5 eggs that are room temperature. This part is very important. All your eggs need to be at room temperature so your flan comes out really fluffy, really creamy, and delicious. Well, I have my 5 eggs here and I have the rest of the ingredients. The cream cheese has to be at room temperature, vanilla extract, strawberry extract, color and flavor, cream, and condensed milk. Of course, your 5 room temperature eggs. Everything goes in the blender. I'm going to start by adding the Philadelphia cream cheese, the 5 eggs. I'm going to continue with the condensed milk, 1 whole can of condensed milk and 1 whole can of the cream. Let me tell you, this combination of the cream and condensed milk makes this flan such delicious and amazing, creamy, the texture just perfection. And of course, we're going to add the strawberry extract, color and flavor, and we're going to add a splash of the vanilla extract. The vanilla extract is going to really give it an amazing flavor, and you won't be even able to smell the egg in this flan. And now that I have everything in the blender cup, we are going to mix and blend completely for a couple of minutes. I am sure, beautiful family, that once you make this amazing strawberry flan, you are going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. This is the best way to end your day, with something sweet but yet delicious and creamy. Of course, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a baking dish larger than the one you're going to put your flan in. Of course, the caramel, you leave it as dark as you want. Just be very, very careful because the caramel is really hot and you don't want to get burned. This could be a 3rd-degree burn. So be careful. Take your time while you cover your mold completely with the amazing sugar right on the bottom. And then I am ready to add the mixture of the flan, strawberry flan. Once you add it, you're going to cover it really nice and tight. You're going to add some water on the bottom and you're going to bake for 1 hour and a half at 350 Fahrenheit. Don't forget, don't open your oven. Just leave it in there. After you bring it out, put it in your refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours. And then you are ready to enjoy. You're going to release it with the knife. And let's see how this is going to come out. It comes out perfect every time. Delicious, creamy, and the flavor of the strawberry, oh my gosh, just amazing. And here I am ready to slice away and reveal the center of this flan. I know that your mouth is watering and you are going to make this amazing flan. You're going to love it. Look how creamy it is. You got to this part of the video, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell so every time I make an amazing recipe, you're going to be notified. Of course, I am going to put it in these little containers, take it to the fridge, and when I'm ready to enjoy at the end of the day, well, let me tell you, I am going to enjoy it. And now I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to taste and can't wait to enjoy. Look at this. Just amazing. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and creamy, delicious strawberry flan. Well, this is the part I love and enjoy. Always tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. So delicious. Creamy. Perfection made at home. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing strawberry flan made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.